What's going on, YouTube? It's your guy KasH the Cool Dad back again with another video. This time, this is an update video on Stone Cold Hybrid Ceramic Trim Restore. You all know I restored my Mustang with some trim restore, so I just want to show y'all how it looked after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, this is how it looked. Let's groove, baby. So as y'all can see, the car is full of pollen right now because it's that season. But here's the trim. That side to this side. This side isn't done. This side is. Also did here. Did around the garments as well. And shout out to the Yeezys slides. KasH also did the side skirt. So me, I'm gonna say certified win. I'm still giving it a 8.5. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10, and that's all because right now it's just sitting. I haven't done nothing to it, so something gonna be done to it real soon. And what that will be is gonna be a strenuous test. I'm gonna have it from underneath the carport to underneath the sun, and then we'll come back with a part 2 of what we think. But so far, so good. 9 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10 is still a win. It's your boy KasH. Shout out to Stoner Cold.